Hi, I'm Alice. In this video, I'll present you in 3 minutes how to import an external calendar on Atolia. We chose the examples of Google Calendar, iCalendar, and Outlook. First thing you need to know is that to import your calendar, you'll need to have the link or the URL for your calendar, what we call the ICS URL. Once you have it, we'll need to import it into Atolia's calendar, which is a pretty easy step. Once imported into Atolia, your external calendar will be synchronized, meaning that it will automatically update the information of your external calendar once you add an event. Unfortunately, you won't be able to add an event from your Atolia calendar and see it in your external calendar. We'll present you how to import 3 kinds of calendars: Google Calendar, iCalendar, and Outlook. Just know that you can follow this procedure with any kind of calendar. You just need to find the ICS URL. Let's get started with Google Calendar. Go to your Google Calendar. In the bottom left-hand corner, click on the 3 dots next to the calendar of your choice, the one you wish to synchronize on Atolia. Click on Settings and Sharing and scroll down the page. Copy the secret address in iCal format. Once it is done, go back to Atolia on your agenda module and click on the Add button. Select Import an external calendar, enter the name of your calendar, for example, Personal Calendar. Paste the ICS URL in the second field. And finally, if you wish, choose with which group you want to share this agenda with. Let's focus now on iCalendar. Go to iCalendar. You'll find a list of your calendars on the left. Then, right-click on the calendar you wish to import to Atolia. Look for the calendar sharing options. This depends on your application version. Then check the public calendar option. A webcal link should appear. Copy it. Then, go back to Atolia to your agenda module. Click on the Add button and select Import an external calendar. Enter the name of your calendar, for example, Personal Calendar. Paste the link you just copied in the second field. And finally, choose, if you wish, the group you want to share your agenda with. Finally, if you have an Outlook calendar, you need to proceed as follows. To do this procedure, we advise you to go to the web application and not your desktop application. Here's how it works. Once on Outlook, go to the menu on the left and click on your calendar. From the calendar view, click on Settings at the top right of your tab. Click on Shared Calendars. Then in the Published Calendar section, select your calendar and choose the Can View All Details permission. Finally, click on Publish. The link to the ICS URL will then be visible, so copy it. Now go back to Atolia to your agenda module. Click on the Add button and select Import an external calendar. Enter the name of your calendar. Paste the link you just copied in the second field. And finally, if you wish, choose with which group you want to share your agenda with. You can as well export your Atolia calendar if you wish to import it into an external calendar. Click on the settings of your calendar and select the export link. There you go! You've just learned to import your external calendars on Atolia. If you're watching this video on YouTube, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon on Atolia.